guys? Welcome back to another cheat code video. Super excited because we are finally getting the exhaust done today. I guess it was about the third or fourth video on the truck where we did the homemade muffler delete. And yeah, it was a fun video. It sounded pretty good, but it's definitely a temporary setup. The pipe rattles, it drones really bad. It's just not complete. So we're gonna head down to Lackey's today and hopefully get a really unique and good sounding setup on the truck. I've got a backup one in mind in case they can't do the first thing that I have an idea for. I have two different exhaust tips. One was the original plan, which is now the backup, and then the one that we're hoping to put on there today is pretty outlandish, probably gonna ruffle some feathers, but if we can get it on there, I think it's gonna be really unique, look really good, and it should sound awesome. So let's go ahead and head down there. I just had to turn around because I am pretty sure I just crossed over a crawdad in the middle of the road. There he freaking is. Holy, I gotta pull over. We have to go look. Bruh, monster black crawdad just casually walking across the road, about to get absolutely obliterated by this 18-wheeler. Oh, brother, no. Alright boys, well we are here. They got one on the rack already. Hopefully all these cars are not getting exhaust. Hopefully we're just one away. But I guess we're gonna find out. First start up inside. I had to crank it up, make sure there wasn't any leaks. They had to patch one, but let's go ahead and get her off here, get paid up, and check it out. Oh no, there's my resonator just absolutely flew off. Well, the Lord's chicken has been acquired. And turns out you can ask for lunch food anytime. It's 9:30. I say, hey, y'all doing lunch stuff yet? We can. Just take a little bit longer. It took like 3 minutes. Insane. nasties. Truck is freaking filthy. Gosh, dope. The tiptoe. That tiptoe. Wet Gladiators, Coyote, Spin City. All right, guys, well, here she is. Cheat Code is rocking the new 5-inch elbow tip. I think it looks super freaking good. These have become very popular in the diesel scene over the last couple years, and I've personally never seen one on a gasser. I'm sure they're out there, but like I said, I haven't seen one, so I had this one laying around, and I decided let's go ahead and throw that bad boy on, and I think it looks really freaking good. So I originally bought it like a month or two ago for gamble. I was gonna put it on the exhaust that it came with, but ended up not fitting, and so I didn't want to mess with it. And so, like I said, I just had it laying around and decided to try it out on here. So we went with full 3-inch pipe, 3-inch Magnaflow bullet muffler, same muffler that we have on Shorty. There she is. And we took the resonator out, of course. We kept all of our factory hangers, so I can literally unbolt it up here at after the Y pipe and remove it and try something else and put it back on there, whatever the case. So nothing is welded to the frame on this truck. And then 4 to 5-inch elbow tip. I don't remember how long it is. They of course did have to blow up the 3-inch pipe to get it on there, but we got it done. We got her mounted, and she is solid. And I think it looks freaking awesome. It's not as loud as I was expecting. The blue truck we had, 21, it was just resonator, muffler delete, 3-inch pipe going out to the end. And it was really loud. It sounded really good, but it was a little bit farty. And so I was like, man, the muffler sounds super good on Shorty. Let's try it on here, see if it maybe keeps the volume, but you know, takes a little bit of the tone and changes it. And it definitely did that, but it also pulled back quite a bit of sound. I kind of regret it. I wish I kind of had just gone just straight pipe. And then if it was too loud, go back and put the muffler. But yeah, well, hindsight's 20/20, whatever the saying is. So yeah, we'll see if the muffler breaks in, give it some time, a bunch of heat cycles, romping and whatnot. Maybe it'll get louder as we go. That's what I'm hoping for, at least. And if it doesn't, we want it louder, we can always just, you know, go get that removed and just put a pipe in there, or swap to a different muffler. I don't know. Definitely let me know. But for the time being, it's just a clean sound. It just sounds really super good. I'm so happy for it to not be dumped right underneath the cab anymore. That was very, very annoying. But yeah, that's her. I dig it. I think it looks good. I think it does need to be louder, just for, you know, you got this, not gaudy, but you got the big exhaust tip and it's not screaming. It needs to be screaming. Come on, Cheat Code, what the heck? I don't know. We'll see if it breaks in and gets louder, but I got him to do it nice and flush with the body, so it's clean. I don't think it looks gaudy. It's not too big. Fits pretty good, and I honestly think it'd look nasty if this thing was slammed. Of course, we're gonna, you know, I keep saying all the videos, the truck's gonna be lowered eventually. Whether or not we keep this exhaust on there or not, I don't know, but I think it would look sick just being stupid low and this big old tip hanging out the back. I did originally want to do a side exit right here, and I was waiting forever, which I complained about in the videos previously, for this to show up. It's a Corsa Extreme lookalike, 3.5-inch tips, I think. And I was gonna put this on their side exit right there, but I mean, we probably will once it's lowered, but like everybody does that. Everybody does it. It looks good, that's why everybody does it. But I wanted to change it up. So since I had that laying around, you know what? We'll give it a shot, and I am glad that we did. So far, it is treating me right. And I can't believe they only charged me 80 bucks. That was crazy. They also jumped on it, and I was in and out of there in like an hour. So freaking good. Stoked with it. So we have, what, 80 bucks labor. Mufflers 120, 130 bucks. The tip was 100. So, I mean, cheaper than any, you know, catback that you can buy on the market, and definitely a lot cheaper than a lot of shops would charge to put all this crap up. Some of the other places would have charged as much as I have in everything, just in labor and pipe. Dude, it looks freaking sweet. Let's keep backing up. I really freaking like it. I don't know what the reception is gonna be like. It's either gonna be really good or really bad. I'm sure a lot of people have something to say, but I think it looks really cool and it's different. And that is the main thing that you gotta be on the interwebs, is different. So yeah, probably not the first person with the elbow tip on a gasser, but maybe the first on a Coyote truck or a F-150 single cab. I don't know, there's some kind of micro record that I have achieved by doing this. Either way, I'm gonna quit rambling. Hopefully you did enjoy. Definitely comment down below. Let me know what you think about the sound, the looks. Should we keep the muffler? Should we swap to another? Should we straight pipe it? Y'all definitely leave a like if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you're new, ring that bell notification. Check out the links in the description. Pick you up a hat, pick you up a decal, all the good stuff. With that said, I'll see y'all boys in the next one.